Greetings, friends! Friends, there is a big fourth stimulus check update, and new deposit dates have also been released. Many more Americans now qualify for at least one more stimulus check, and these checks may be worth up to $2,000, which will arrive for some Americans before next year. My friends, please do me a big favor and watch until the end of this video for the complete details. Also, I will be giving away a $50 Walmart gift card every day this month. Please enter these giveaways. All you have to do is click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on, the more likely your chances of winning these daily giveaways. As the holiday season gets into gear, millions of Americans may be struggling financially more than ever due to high inflation. Increased prices continue to stretch many families' budgets, with a recent poll finding that a majority of Americans are very concerned about how they'll afford gifts this year. Luckily, many states are sending out direct payments to help their residents cope with these rising costs. California has authorized direct payments of up to $1,050 to help residents cope with inflation. The state's franchise tax board said that more than $5 billion has already been distributed through this program. It is also known as a middle-class tax refund. However, some recipients will not see their payments until late December or sometime in January. Direct deposit payments for those who received the Golden State stimulus payments last year have already been issued to bank accounts. But Californians who changed their banking information since filing their 2020 tax return will receive a debit card that will be mailed between December 17th and January 14th, 2023. Debit cards for those who received prior stimulus payments will be mailed by December 10th, and all other debit cards will be mailed out by January 14th of next year. The Virginia State General Assembly passed a law earlier this year approving a one-time tax rebate. Individual filers will receive a rebate of up to $250, while joint filers may receive up to $500. Those who filed their 2021 tax return by September 5th, 2022, will have already received their rebate. Rebates to those who filed after that date are being issued in the order that taxpayers filed their returns. To receive the rebate, eligible taxpayers must have filed their tax return by November 1st, 2022. State lawmakers passed a law earlier this year to send direct payments to Colorado in the form of a tax refund. Under the Colorado Cashback Program, individual filers will receive a $750 check, while joint filers will receive $1,500. Most residents will have already received their payments, but those who filed for an extension and submitted their state tax return by the October 17th deadline can expect their payment by January 31st, 2023. In the state of South Carolina, lawmakers there have also approved a $1 billion tax rebate. The South Carolina Department of Revenue said it began issuing the rebates earlier this month, which are capped at $800. The payments are currently being sent out for those who filed their 2021 state income tax return by the October deadline. However, those who did file their returns in October can expect their payments by March of 2023. Also, friends, today Senator Joe Manchin left the door open to one day becoming an independent. That is 3 days after his Arizona colleague Kristen Sinema announced that she was leaving the Democratic Party to become an independent herself. So while speaking with reporters this afternoon, Senator Manchin maintained that he is already the most independent person in the Senate, and he confirmed he has considered alterations to his party affiliation before. He didn't foreclose ever leaving the Democrats, but said he has no plans for such a move. Senator Manchin said, "I don't know how you get more independent than I am, but I have no intention of doing anything right now." Manchin maintained that Americans are very upset and don't like the bickering that goes on in politics, echoing long-standing criticism. In the current 50-50 Senate, Senator Manchin and Sinema, who were seen as the two of the most centrist members of the Democratic caucus, had particular influence on which legislation and nominees could advance. Senator Manchin said that Senator Sinema did not give him a heads up before making her announcement on Friday, but that he respects her decision and thinks she gave pretty good reasons of why. Manchin and Sinema will both be up for re-election in 2024. He did say on Monday that he hadn't yet made a decision about whether he intends to run. Kyrsten Sinema's party switch has been criticized by some, like Vermont's independent Senator Bernie Sanders, as a possible political move that is meant to secure better odds for herself, given her falling out with the Democratic base over her positions on issues like the minimum wage and tax increases. But Senator Manchin said he's not concerned with the politics of it. So, dear friends, what are your thoughts about Senator Sinema becoming an independent? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Well, my amazing and best friends, thank you so much, friends, for joining me here and watching this new video that I've posted. And I truly hope that you found this information helpful. The winner of today's Walmart gift card giveaway is Marcellus Roberts. Congratulations, my friend. To claim your gift card, please check your notifications page and send me a message. Or you can message me on my Facebook page. Friends, to say thank you so much for being part of this community. I will continue to be giving away Walmart gift cards every day until the end of December. Please make sure that you enter these daily giveaways by clicking and liking several of my videos, and then please comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Thank you, my friends, and have a wonderful and blessed week.
But the Biden administration's radical environmental agenda doesn't stop there. The president's also been using regulations to push through Democrats' Green New Deal fantasies. And these ill-considered, overreaching regulations could have serious consequences. Later today, I will be sending a letter to the president about the attempts to use financial and securities regulators like the Securities and Exchange Commission and the Federal Reserve to push through environmental, social, and governance, or what are referred to as ESG regulations, that seek to choke off investment to essential industries like oil and natural gas and American farms and ranches. Notable among these is the Securities and Exchange Commission's proposed climate disclosure rule, which would require publicly traded companies to disclose information not only about their own emissions, but also about the greenhouse gas emissions of their suppliers and even their customers. Now, it would also require companies to determine the effects of climate-related risks on each line item of their consolidated financial statements. Well, to start with, this rule is obviously unworkable. Companies have zero control